What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're gonna be jumping in the next one on our Ruido Rosa journey. This is Amanecer official video. This one is coming at us via donation from Alex and Rachel. Much love as always. Let's jump into that. I do have the lyrics pulled up. They don't look right to me, but we'll see. It says this is what they are, so we're gonna try to catch some of the lyrics. If we don't, we're just gonna vibe with whatever the video is, like we always do. When we don't understand the words, we check out the music. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's check it out together. Let's roll. Oh, it's gonna be a live show anyway. You might not even be able to catch the lyrics. It's like a collaboration of live shows. Keep up with me, y'all. Yo, this is intense. Like, I'm pumped up again. I was getting kind of tired. We're getting towards the end of our day. I'm all kinds of pumped up again. I don't even need any coffee. Let's go. I'm keeping up. It's an amazing little collaboration of videos. How long have they been doing this, Ruido Rosa? How long have they been on tour and stuff? Because this is a lot of collaborated videos. It looks like they've been rocking for quite some time as of this music video. Be intense. Look at all them damn people. They had to have been doing this for a while now. You don't get that many people overnight. Definitely give me some more information. How long they been rocking since? Alice and Rachel, I know you guys know the information. Hey, if you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Go show Ruido Rosa some love on their channel. I'm going to leave it down in the description. Check out one of the videos of their subscriber here if you want to see more content, possibly your content. Till the next one, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.